Morning students. Today we are going to study here these parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines. What is meant by these parallel lines? In the figure see these two segments. The segments do not meet each other, however much they are extended, and these segments are this parallel. Means parallel lines do not intersect. That is why they do not cut each other no matter how far they are extended on other sides. These parallel lines means the lines which do not intersect to each other. These two lines do not intersect to each other, and that lines called as a parallel lines. See again these two lines. These two lines also parallel lines. They do not intersect, means they do not meet to each other. Therefore, these lines are called as a parallel lines. Then second one, see. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. When two lines make an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. Say these two. Here 90 degree angle is formed. PQ BC. PQ perpendicular to BC. BC is base of this line. See PQ perpendicular means this symbol of this perpendicular. PQ perpendicular to this line BC. Here this PQ intersect to here in line BC. In the figure, line PQ and line BC make an angle of this here 90 degree at the point Q, and it means they are perpendicular to each other. They intersect to each other. These two lines intersect to each other. Therefore, these lines are called as here perpendicular lines. Again, see this next figure. These two lines also here intersect to each other. Therefore, these two lines also perpendicular to each other. Means the lines intersect to each other. That line is called as a perpendicular line, or it is also called as intersecting lines. Intersect to each other. The lines to intersect to each other, that lines called as intersecting lines. And parallel lines means the lines which do not intersect to each other. Then see problem set 27. Problem set 27. Problem set 27. First one. Problem set 27. Problem set 27. First one. Give the two examples of parallel lines you can see in your environment. You can see in your environment, and give here, right here, these two example of these parallel lines. You see this railway track. These two track. These do not intersect to each other. This parallel. Then ruler edges also parallel to each other. Then second one, see this first one answer. Give these two examples of parallel lines you can see in your environment, railway and these ruler edges. Then second one, give two examples of these perpendicular lines you can see in your environment. See these perpendicular lines. You see this blackboard, this side this side perpendicular here. This side means the leg of the board and its surface, otherwise the leg of the table and its surface. First one example, leg of table and its surface. Second one, light pole and the road. Road and this light pole, they are intersect to each other. Light pole and road. These two examples of these perpendicular lines. Then third one question. Look at the pictures given below. Decide whether the lines given in each picture the parallel or perpendicular to each other and write the answer in the box. First one, see these two lines, parallel lines. These two lines are parallel lines. They do not intersect to each other. Second one, see here. They intersect here. 90-degree angle formed. Then these two lines means perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Then third one, see. These two lines also parallel lines. You extend these two lines. They do not intersect to each other. Then fourth one figure, see. These two lines also parallel lines. Parallel lines. Then next figure, see here. These two lines are intersect to each other. Therefore, these lines called as perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. In homework, all of you complete this problem set 27. Then tomorrow we will study this next chapter, circles. Only one chapter remain. Then what is this angle formed, this hour hand and minute hand of a clock? Homework write. Homework write. First one question. What is the angle formed between the, what is the angle formed, angle formed between the hour hand and minute hand of a clock? Hour hand and minute hand of a clock. Here time is given. You draw here clock, and in between these two hands, hour hand and minute hand, which type of angle formed, then you write here. 9 o'clock, 9:10, 11:40, 3 o'clock, 10:20, 3:50. Then remaining part tomorrow, okay?